Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to review A4tech Bloody B130 backlit keyboard. This keyboard have 3 different colors. This is the RGB version. So before I start, there is an announcement. I am going to give away a 32GB pen drive. If you want to win this 32GB pen drive, you just have to subscribe this channel, like this video, and also comment in this video, and don't forget to like. Then I will make another video and announce that who is going to be the winner. Before I start, please subscribe to my channel, also hit the bell button. So let's get start. This is A4tech Bloody B130 illuminate gaming keyboard, double stick or water resistant, 1000Hz report rate, built-in 160K memory. Let's check out the other part. Package contains keyboard, 4 extra keycaps and a key puller. System requirement: Windows XP, Vista 7, 8, 8.1 and 10. Powered by A4tech. This part. This keyboard have game mode, profile management, backlit adjustable and 4 silicone coated keycaps. Anti-slippery keyboard lift, double stick or water resistant, screw enhancements, spacebar, extended palm rest. Okay. Game mode FN plus F8 will disable the Windows key. Customize 3 profiles, that means 3 color. Backlit as well, you can adjust the brightness of backlit. Also they have lighting effects, 2 lighting effects, breathing and solid, and also 4 silicone coated keycaps for gaming. Okay, so let's unbox it. Like a quick guide for key combination. Okay, that's good. Installation software for the best product performance. Please download software. Okay, volume key. Keycaps. Okay. Also a key puller. That's good. This is our gaming keyboard. Oh. A huge space too. Okay, the buttons are so smooth, almost feel like a mechanical keyboard, but it's not a mechanical. I hope it's the same mechanical keyboard. Okay, that's number lock, caps lock, and game mode. Bloody logo here. I hope this is for the lighting, and the key space is also good. Okay, so let's test them. I hope you guys can see this lighting. Let's change the lighting effect. Press FN button and okay, blue, green, blue. I hope this is sky color maybe, or I don't know what is this color. Brightness, okay, totally off. There is, okay, that's good. There's lots of brightness options. Let's check out the manual for other instructions. Disable Windows key for okay. Game mode for okay, the game mode is turned on. G game mode FN. Let's press. Okay, game mode is turned off. Lighting effects F12. Okay, this is a solid color and the off and breathing. Solid color, off, breathing. Okay. Oh, sweet. It's just an awesome keyboard. The wire is also good quality and also a long one. The USB is good. The quality of this wire is good. Also, I like this long palm rest. Okay, so I hope you like this video. Please like this video and also subscribe to my channel